Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today, we aren't just looking at another SUV, we are witnessing the resurrection of an automotive soul. This is the 212 T01 Highland Edition. To understand this vehicle, you must understand its DNA. For over half a century, the 212 name has been the silent guardian of the Chinese frontier. It was born from military necessity, forged in the fires of tactical operations, and now it has evolved into a modern masterpiece of civilian engineering. The Highland Edition isn't just a trim level, it's a commitment. Look at the stance. It's wider, taller, and more aggressive than anything in its class. It's designed for those who find the end of the road to be just the beginning. Let's strip back the layers of this tactical predator and see what makes it breathe. Every inch of the Highland's exterior serves a purpose. Notice the dawn gold finish. It's not just paint, it's a tribute to the desert horizons this car was meant to conquer. The front bumper is a heavy-duty, reinforced unit housing a professional-grade T-Max winch. Whether you're recovering yourself or a friend, this is the peace of mind you need when the mud gets deep. Speaking of deep, look at the A-pillar. That integrated snorkel raises the wading depth to a staggering 910 millimeters. You can literally drive through small rivers without skipping a beat. The geometry here is a masterclass, a 42-degree approach angle and a 38-degree departure angle. With a 1.5-inch factory lift and nitrogen-filled shock absorbers, the T01 Highland doesn't just clear obstacles, it ignores them. Those two 85/70 R17 all-terrain tires are wrapped around high-strength alloys designed to withstand extreme lateral forces. This is structural honesty in its purest form. Now, let's step into the command center. The interior of the Highland strikes a brilliant balance between ruggedness and 2026-level technology. The layout follows a T-shaped architectural philosophy. You'll notice the immediate presence of physical, knurled knobs and buttons. In an era of distracting touchscreens, 212 knows that when you are crawling up a 35-degree rocky incline, you need tactile feedback for your differential locks and 4 WD modes. However, the intelligence is undeniable. The 10.25-inch floating central screen is powered by a high-speed processor that renders a 3D off-road visualization system. It tracks your pitch, roll, altitude, and even the real-time articulation of your suspension. The seats are upholstered in high-durability, dirt-resistant materials with contrast stitching that echoes the exterior's gold accents. It feels like a premium tactical vest, comfortable, yet ready for impact. Under the vented, reinforced hood lies the heart of the beast, a 2.0-liter turbocharged GDI engine. It produces a healthy 185 kilowatts, but the real story is the 410 newton-meters of torque available from low RPMs. This power is funneled through the legendary ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, a gearbox renowned for its ability to handle high-stress heat cycles. But the soul of the Highland is its part-time 4WD system. When you engage the 4L low-range mode, the wheel torque is amplified by 2.5 times. Combined with front and rear mechanical differential locks, this vehicle can scale verticality that would make mountain goats jealous. The non-load-bearing body-on-frame construction, featuring high-strength steel, ensures that the chassis never twists, providing a rock-solid platform for the most extreme articulations. The 212 T01 Highland is more than a vehicle, it is a statement of freedom. It fills a vacuum in the market for a factory-standard, professional-grade off-roader that remains accessible. It doesn't try to be a luxury mall crawler. It remains faithful to its military roots while embracing the smart connectivity of the future. I'm Ava, and I believe that with this machine, the only limit to your adventure is the amount of fuel in your tank and the courage in your heart. Is the Highland Edition the ultimate, hardcore king of 2026? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.